Kawadhi nyime ni jotend piny Kenya William Ruto pedho e nyim od bura nyinge ji 24 manyocha owal ne lemo mag ten migepe.
Speaker mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula yango ni od bura no oseyudo listino kendo ibiro dadhogi ka od bura pok ogolo ng'eto mare tarik 3 dwe manyien.
Chik dwaro ni jo od bura opuodhi kata kwedo listino mar jotend migepe e thuolo mar ndalo 28 kochakore odiechieng' ma milome ochope od bura.
I wish to convey to the House that I have received a message from His Excellency the President notifying the nomination of various persons for appointment to the offices of Cabinet Secretaries, Secretary to the Cabinet, and the Attorney General. Honorable members, in the message, His Excellency the President conveys that in exercise of powers conferred on him by Article 152(2), 154(2), and 156(2) of the Constitution, as read together with Sections 3 and 5 of the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011, he has nominated various persons for appointment to the aforementioned offices. Honorable members, Section 8 of the Public Appointments Act 2012 provides, unless otherwise provided in law, the committee to which such nomination is referred shall consider the matter and table a report in the House within 28 days. It is therefore imperative that the Committee on Appointments, once formed, immediately commences the process of consideration of the nominees to enable speedy conclusion of the vetting process within the set timelines.